This video will show how to use a multiple equations calculation. A multiple equation calculation, as the name suggests, is made up of multiple equations. This means that one or more of the inputs required to solve the equation is calculated by using another equation. Navigate to the Calculations page. Select the desired calculation. Here we can see the input variables specified for this calculation, the equation itself, and the result units. Notice that the base area of the cylinder, a circle, is not included in the input as variable and has not been given a value. This is because we want to use a value which is a result of another calculation. Since the base of a cylinder is a circle, we can use the area of circle calculation to calculate the value of the area we need. In this case, the area of circle becomes a preceding calculation. In this example, we have only one preceding calculation, but in some cases we may have many. They will all be listed in the preceding calculations section of this page. For each calculation, we can see its privacy status, the input variables, and the equation. If we click on the area of circle calculation, it will take us to its own page. Here we can see the cylinder volume listed as a dependent calculation. If we click on the cylinder volume calculation, it will take us back to its own page. To run the calculation, click the Calculation button. This page will list all preceding equations in order of their execution. It will display the values of the variables for each equation used the last time each of those equations were saved. We can assign new values to each variable in each equation. When done, click the Calculate button. The result of each preceding equations will be displayed, as well as the final result of the calculation. If this calculation is managed by you, you will see a Save Data button. You can click it if you wish to save your results. This will save the new values of variables and results for all preceding calculations managed by you. If a calculation is managed by someone else, it will not be changed. If any of those preceding calculations are executed later, on their own or as part of other calculations, their values may change. Therefore, if you want to keep a record of the calculation, it is recommended to print it. To print this page, press the Print button. Thank you for your interest in engineeringamp.com.